Hey guys, Alex here, AG Automotive, and here today we're looking at the 360 degree dash cam from 70mi. So let's go and check out what's in the box. So this is what I've been sent from 70mi. So I've got the camera, I've got the two hardwire kits, the CPL filter and a memory card. So let's check out what's in the box. And don't forget to use the code down in the description where you'll get one of these free of charge with your order, which is a CPL filter. So we've got the 360 camera itself, we've got the electrostatic stickers, you have the hardwire kit, the 4G hardwire kit with the power, you've got your user manuals there, you've got a CPL filter, 128GB card, you've got the power cord and the cigarette or 12-volt plug there, and then you've got the rear camera along with the rear camera power. You've also got the trim piece remover there as well. Alright, let's go and install. So we're just in the 70mi app. So at the top here, you can see you've got a bit of an advertisement for the 4K Omni. Further down, you've got the 70mi Dashcam 4K Omni 6207, and it says 4G online because I have the 4G hardwire kit connected. So further down, it's got connect to Dashcam directly. So I'm just going to do that now. It's going to find a Wi-Fi hotspot. And we're in. So there you can see the front there as well. I can go into these. I can take a photo on the left. I can move the camera left or right, and I can go into the rear camera, you can see there. So further down you have album there, so I've got all these videos, emergency parking, surveillance mode, vlogs, photos, you can go into them. You've also got a whole bunch of settings there, so things like your vehicle encoding, your resolution, how long you want your video clips for, it's 1 to 3 minutes. Your speed watermark, your coordinates, the logo, anti-flicker, mirror rotation, and you've got a whole heap of bits and pieces. Now, a couple of things I wanted to point out. You've got collision detection there, motion detection, time-lapse photography. You can also check the vehicle battery, which is really good. Now you've got your emergency video, you've got the ADAS system there, which I've calibrated, and once that's calibrated it gives you a whole heap of information, voice control, driver fatigue reminder, which is really good, and then things like your speaker volume, stuff like that. So you know what, it's actually really good. You can reformat the memory card and whatnot. Now we'll just go back out of there onto the home page, and we can click on that, and you've got the device setting, the name, the device information, firmware update, the manage 4G module there, it's bound. Now further down you do have like remote surveillance, so you can actually go onto this from anywhere as long as you have internet on your phone and the 4G module has internet, and then you can actually go in and look at it from a distance. And there we go. Now it says 4G network is being used to show the real time, which is really good. So that is now recording. And again, you can change the dash cam to the left or the right, or you can also have a look at the rear camera there as well. And again, really good clarity, so you can look at that from anywhere you want on the parking mode. And you can go into full screen like that, see? So it actually does a really good job actually, and it's very clear. We'll go back to that, go back to the home screen there. You've got vehicle location, so you can put in where your vehicle is. You've got your alarm center, so if anything has gone on, parking surveillance mode, things like that will tell you. You've also got your battery detection there as well. You've also got a little help button on the bottom right hand corner there, which you can go in and get some help on the dash cam. Alright, let's go and check out some of the footage while we're driving. So the 70mm dash cam has exceptional image quality and dual channel recording. Native 4K resolution at 60 frames a second. Front camera has Sony Starvis 2 technology. You've also got night owl vision for enhanced visibility. Now it's also got the intelligent parking surveillance, AI motion detection 2.0. Very smooth. Collision detection activates both the front and the rear cameras, and you've got true night vision optimized for parking scenarios. You've also got a super capacitor power system for durability in extreme weather conditions, both hot and cold. And the last thing I wanted to show you was the RS visuals mode. So now you can do this to any of your videos, and it's a pretty cool feature. It gives you your speed, the mapping on the left there. It's got how far away the vehicles are. You got your date and time in the top left there. So it's actually pretty cool that you can actually do that with this camera, which is awesome. Alright guys, we'll finish on there, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Alright, thanks guys.